weather for it too, right?
Yeah, you're right. The rain coming in later tonight during the overnight hours, right?
It knew to wait.
So it's going to wait. Yeah, exactly. Which it knew. I like that. Yeah. And out of here by the time many folks hit the road for tomorrow morning's commute. For the most part, the steady rain, the heavier stuff is going to be out of here. So timing works out great. I'll show you the radar right now. The rainfall is still well off toward the north and west, and what will look like it'll try to start a little bit sooner across the valley, but it's called Virga, so the actual raindrops will be evaporating as it makes its way down. So no issues at all getting toward the tree lighting this evening. Once you get toward 10, 11 o'clock, we'll begin to see some of the rainfall crossing over the coastal ranges, moving from northwest down to the southeast. You can see that storm system here on the satellite and radar. Overall, a fast-moving system, but the impacts will linger through much of the day tomorrow. Certainly more active pattern, right? Because behind that is storm number 2. That will be moving in this weekend. That's going to be the stronger of the two storms. So we'll time this out for you because as we get through the overnight, that rain quickly moving down to the south. I think we'll get a quick 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain out of this across much of the valley. Snowfall coming down at a good clip above 5,000 feet in the Sierra, and that's where we have winter weather advisories. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll begin to see another batch of showers developing, especially across the foothills, snow continuing across the Sierra. So these are the lingering impacts through tomorrow, and then we get a break through much of the day Friday with just a few showers. By Saturday, this is storm number 2, and notice you have that line of rainfall moving in. This is Saturday morning. When that comes into the valley, you may even see those stronger winds start to pick up as well, gusting in excess of 40 miles per hour. So the risk of isolated power outages with storm number 2 on Saturday can't be ruled out here. We're looking at those gusts of upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour. There's some indication we may see a few isolated pockets near 50 mile per hour wind gusts. These will be coming in out of the southeast, those winds getting into Saturday. By Saturday night, those winds start to diminish, and the impacts of that storm will start to diminish as we move into Sunday. Storm number 3 coming in by Monday. That one's going to be a much weaker system. So overall, the impacts we can expect from both are going to be those wet roadways, the typical winter driving impacts once you get up in the Sierra, especially above 5,000 feet, and decent snow amounts too, which is great news for the ski economy, right? Getting into the holidays, this is great news for the mountains there as that storm system begins to move through. So how much are we looking at? Well, between now through Sunday, overall across the valley, and we've made some slight adjustments up on our forecast compared to just 24 hours ago. Overall, between 3/4 to 1.5 inches for the Sacramento Valley, Marysville 1 to 2 inches, lesser amounts down to the south, and some beneficial precipitation for the foothills as well. Now, high enough in elevation, of course, that comes in the form of snow. So right now our range is between 10 and 20 inches above 5,000 feet, but there'll be some localized pockets, some of those higher peaks, some of the ski resorts that may come in closer to 2 feet of snow by the time we are all said and done with both systems. Then we'll add on a little bit more early next week with storm number 3 coming on board. All right, temperatures certainly much cooler, right? Been down to the 30s, but tonight we'll see those temps into the 40s with those clouds in place, and we only end up in the mid-50s tomorrow with some peaks of sunshine between some of those lingering rain showers as we get through the day. So, of course, Thursday morning, a first load action day, but certainly Saturday is the more impactful system with the rain, the wind for the valley, the snow heavy at times across the Sierra, and then we'll begin to see some big improvement by Sunday, and then next week staying a little bit cool and unsettled as well. Tony?
All right, Nick, looks good. Thank you.